Gold yesterday created a bullish candle. We can see that it is continuation of this bullish breakout that has happened 2 days ago above 2653.45. We can see that the price yesterday created a bullish candle with a wick almost reaching 2678.10 and then bouncing back down, returning slightly down, and it is currently forming a continuation of this bullish movement. So yesterday I also mentioned that the price could reach an area around this one here, which is around 2672, and this is the price has done just that, and also the price has formed a bullish breakout above this very important 2662 price level. We can go here and see it at 2662.90. It is a strong resistance, which was a confluence of resistance. The price successfully made bullish breakout. Yesterday I have shared with the traders a setup here where the price formed this bearish breakout below 2669.50 with the target at around here 2662.90, and it was inside the premium analysis, so the traders has been informed about this trade. From here we can see the price has just confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one, and it is continuing to rise in value. Where the next, we can see that where the next target first of all is 2676.40. But if we go to the daily time frame, which is currently showing me that the next target will be 2680, and after that we can see that the next level would be around here 2693. This is the price where it is currently heading, but we can go step by step following these support and resistance levels on the 4-hour time frame and also a 1-hour time frame. Now if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see these are the levels that are in front of us. First of all 2676, and then it is 2690.07, where I'm expecting the price will continue to rise in value. So this is for now what I'm currently seeing on the gold against US dollar, rising in value, and we'll see how the price will behave around first resistance, second resistance level. So we'll see what happens. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.